How to log into Temu account. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily log into your Temu account. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Temu app, download it, and just open it up. So if you're using this for the first time, you are going to have to create an account, but if you already have one, you could just go ahead and log in. So in order to sign into your account, you can tap on the U icon at the bottom of your screen. Simply go ahead and tap on it. And once you get to the U tab, you'll see the login option right here. You have different options to continue with. It could be your Google, Facebook, or email, even your phone number. So let's say if you want to continue on with your email, go ahead and enter the email address that's connected to your account and then tap on continue. Now it will show you welcome back if you are new. So let me just continue with Google. Or you could also use the email verification code to sign in, but I'm just going to continue with Google account. I've selected my Google account and I'm easily able to log in. And it's as easy as that. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.